Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey, we've got a Mustang here that checks a lot of boxes. It's a factory air-conditioned car, 289. Has power steering, deluxe console, Magnum wheels, sprint package. It's got lots to offer. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs and all the information about this car. You'll also see over 100 pictures, and you'll get the price, not only on this car, but a few hundred collector cars we have for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as they come out. But right now, why don't you join me, take you for a spin in this Mustang. I bought it down south, Tennessee, and the guy described it to me as just a good, clean, honest car, and I would say it's a real fair assessment. I have a real tough job, you know, and part of what I've been doing lately is driving a car home every day as they come in so I can get the feel for it, see how it functions. I drove this car home. I drove it all around. I put some miles on it, started it, shut it off, started it. It does everything right. It's a great car. The air conditioning does not have a belt on it, so that will need to be serviced. But anyway, yeah, underneath the car is pretty original. It's not a detailed show car underneath, but it's completely solid. From what I could tell, the frame rails and the rockers and the inner quarters, all clean original metal. All the the factory seams and ribs in the metal, not patched up. It looked to be good, clean, dry metal. Front end components didn't look brand new, but they look good. The bushings look nice, and it does have a dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers. It has a real good muscle car sound, which you'll hear in a minute when I start it up. Air shocks in the back, has some traction bars in the back. So anyway, the body's real clean. All smooth along the bottom here. All nice. It's original quarters. I was up in the trunk. I don't see any splices or seams. On the fenders, all metal. Car is completely repainted white. Got a nice glossy finish. There's nothing wrong with it, but it's not a $20,000 piece of glass, like you put on a show car, but the paint job's nice. Body is great. Look how everything is square. Doors fit beautifully. This side's just as smooth. There's no bubbles down here, not a one. Doors shut beautifully. Even the driver's side just shuts like a new car. The vinyl top looks like it's new. The windshield's crystal clear. That looks like it's new. It has, they call this the C stripe. It's like a letter C. It has a sprint package, which has the louvered hood with the turn signals. That makes a big difference. When you look at one without it, that really dresses it up. The sprint package also included the rocker trim along the bottom. There is some pitting on the original door handles. All this trim here looks real nice. The tail lights, the bumper, the gas cap's real nice. Clean metal. Like I said, I looked for seams and splices. I didn't find any. They have a piece of insulation cut out, sound deadener, and then they have the rubber plaid mat over it. It's got the jack and spare all mounted properly. All the white is painted nice. The weather strip is still like new. The Magnum 500 wheels, that dresses up any car. They look brand new. Has a set of Cooper tires here in the back. They look new. Door jambs are painted nicely. It does still have the trim tag in the door. Emblems look nice. Front bumper is beautiful. It has a little tarnishing on it. It looks smudged, but it's not, but it's in nice shape. The grille, a little bit of the silver paint has come off for some reason, but the grille is not beat up. So it's the 289 motor. They've added a dual feed Holley carburetor, but everything looks stock. The air cleaner, the valve covers, the washer bottle, all look stock. It has factory air. Like I said, there's no belt on it. It has power steering. Also has what they call the buck tag right here. That lists the options on this tag. It's still in place. The VIN number's here in the in the dash. Interior's in real nice shape. All the upholstery, the seat cushions, headliner's mint, the visors are mint, carpets are real nice, has new embroidered floor mats. All this is real nice. The metal's real good. It has the full deluxe console. They call it the garage door. It has a little chrome garage door that opens. It's a little compartment in the front of it. The light comes on. The instrument bezel, this is a chrome plastic. The chrome over the years just tarnishes. They sell that piece. It's really cheap. That would really dress up the dash. But nothing's broken or beat up. Nothing's drilled or cut. Still has the original AM radio. So real nice, but the chrome has lost its luster. But why don't I start it up for you? It even has a seat belt light. I don't recall seeing that in a 67 Mustang. I don't know if that's rare or not, but when you put the seat belt on, the light goes off. It actually works. That motor couldn't be any quieter. It's like a mouse in slippers. It's not making a tick. That's not making a sound. Now out the other end, that's making a little sound. The Flowmaster mufflers has a pretty good rumble to it there. Everything shuts nicely. Just a good old honest car like the gentleman told me that I bought it from. You go to volocars.com, plenty of ways on there to contact us. I have a whole staff of people. We'll try and answer whatever questions or concerns you may have about the car, about the delivery, the paperwork, financing. This is what we do. Let us help you with all that. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon so you see them first. So I hope you enjoyed, and do come back for more. Thank you.